Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn about long vowel sound. Look, say and read words with long vowel E. Tree, tree. E, see. Sheep, sheep. E, knee. B, bee. Look, say and read words with long vowel I. Tie. Ice, flies. Quite. Ice, fries. Pie. I hope you guys love doing this. Keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.